Hi, this is Sandy Anderson. This is my how-to from Module 3 over leadership styles and ethics. When we consider leadership styles, they're founded in different leadership theories. The first one being transactional, which reciprocates based on incentives. There's also a leader-member exchange theory, where it's an equal exchange between the leader and followers. The contingency theory is fitting the correct leader to each situation. Situational leadership theory is ever-changing, constantly adapting to the situation. A transformational leadership theory means leaders gain buy-in. The servant leadership theory means people follow out of love and gratitude towards their leader. There's also the trait theory, where it claims that if people have specific traits, they will be a good leader. And then also the skills theory. This was all from Christianity 9 to 5 YouTube video analyzing the different types of leadership theories. Those theories then lead into different leadership styles. Murphy put out a paper on the different ones. He considered the pragmatist to be very driven and goal-oriented. The idealist had a great desire to learn and want everybody else to also want to learn and grow. The steward or the servant leader was very dependable, loyal, helpful, stable, and people could know what to expect. The diplomat was kind of worked as the glue that held everything together. They had a very personal bond with employees. When I completed the quiz that Murphy provided to see what leadership style best fit me, it was the idealist. Idealists typically have high energy. They learn to love and grow. They see the positive potential in everyone, very charismatic and open-minded. And I felt like that was a good fit for how I believe that I lead others. When you think about leadership, Horton did a study that kind of analyzed the different core values in which one must possess. And so that was broken down into 5 different core values, and then I kind of took the different traits that Tracy had gone through and spoke about what good leaders possess. So that's how this slide is broken down. When you consider someone being very honest, that means they are very truthful. They will do what they say when they say they will do it. Respect. In order to gain the respect of others, you must be clear in your communication. Delegating tasks shows respect to others. Responsibility for your actions is huge, showing the humility to admit when you're wrong, stay focused, being very fair with your leadership, delegating different tasks, not putting it all on one person and comprising everybody to cooperate. Compassion is also another one, being able to set in somebody else's shoes and recognize. One must possess those traits or a combination of those different traits and core values in order to be a successful leader. It also enables them to become a very visionary leader where their actions consistently align with the vision of the organization. It enables them to be community builders where it's very high functioning, everybody does their part, has their role. And they do so with emotional intelligence. They're able to understand and manage their own emotions as well as that of others to stay calm and grounded and empathetic when dealing with conflict. When I consider where these traits can also be observed by successful leaders around, I believe that a lot of these qualities and traits can be developed when they are intentionally thought about and you take the actions to further develop those traits within oneself. It takes a lot of self-reflection, a lot of intentionality, and humility as well to improve or develop traits in which aren't already possessed in your character. When I think about what I would want to do better, I would want to be more visionary, develop more compassion. And I don't mean, I feel like I empathize well with others, but probably my biggest struggle is empathizing with people who don't want to improve themselves. And so that's definitely an area in which I need to work on improving myself with as well. I think respect as well for others. I do try to be intentional about respecting people, but sometimes we can get very tunnel visioned and that tunnel vision can come off as disrespect. So those are definitely areas in which I would like to further develop myself as a leader. Here are my standard correlations with how this assignment meets the standard, what makes this assignment relevant, and then also my reflection as to how I could apply this to my future leadership positions, and then my APA references. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.